Good morning, class 6. I am Kalpana Tyagi, your English teacher from Vidya Bal Bhavan Public School. Students, look at the board. There is something for you. Let's read. What is this? A painter can draw a devil as well as an angel. Students, a painter who has art in his hand and very beautiful and devil ideas in mind. So students, if a painter has lots of knowledge, so it's up to the painter. He or she can use his knowledge or her knowledge in a right way or in a wrong way. By this thought, I want to explain you that we all have lots of knowledge. We all are aware how to operate lots of mobile phones, laptops, computers, lots of apps and softwares. We all are aware. But it's up to us how we have to use that knowledge. Some people use their knowledge in wrong way. It means here the painter, here the artist use its knowledge in wrong way. But some people, those who has lots of knowledge, use their thoughts, their ideas, their experiences in a good way. So students, we are painters. We all are painters and we have to draw an angel by our skills and by our ideas. It means we all are people, we all have lots of knowledge and we have to use that knowledge in a right direction. We always think about to use our skills, our experience to do something good for others. Okay? So be a good painter of your life. Now students, I am moving toward your English grammar book. In your English grammar book, you have to open page number 33. Actually, today we will finish our chapter pronoun. So students, kindly open your English grammar book. Today is 17th July 2020 and today is Friday. This is your English class. And we are at our chapter number 6, pronouns. Page number 33. At page number 33, you can see that there are indefinite pronouns. In the end, you can see in the end, page number 33, indefinite pronoun. So student, indefinite pronoun basically it's a part of pronoun indefinite pronoun. So student, you can see that indefinite pronoun basically indicates some indefinite things. I'm going to read the definition. Pronouns which don't have a specific reference. Don't have a specific reference are called indefinite pronoun, like anyone, something, either, some, each, most, everyone, neither. So you have to underline the definition along with the words Now I am moving toward our next page, page number 34. Now we are at page number 34, you can see here. So for indefinite, you can see the words like each, many, someone, somebody, anything. These types of words basically. Okay students, so indefinite pronoun also express quantity, like both are my friends. We have 10 fingers, each has a special function. We has fooled many with the same story. If it is milk, give me some. Many indefinite pronouns are function as determiners, that is they come before noun, like both friends, each finger, many people, some milk. Student, there are two types of indefinite pronouns. The first consists of compound and indefinite, like ending with one, body and thing, like everybody, somebody, something, anyone, someone, everyone. So compound indefinite pronoun do not function as determined, like some friends, someone friends, no, any room, every child. So student, they take singular verbs. Everyone likes, please use it as a singular verb. Everyone likes ice cream. Nobody drives as fast as Amar. Something is missing from my bag. The second type of indefinite pronoun is large group. It's a large group. They can also function as determiner. Few, most, many, all, another, both, little, some. So these are our pronouns. You can see that as pronoun, as determiner, all are having lunch together, all children. Many try to climb this wall, but most fail. Many climbers, both are great ideas, both ideas. Okay students, now I am moving toward our exercise at page number 35. Kindly open your page number 35. And I know you forget to put the today's date. I told you many times, do not forget to put today's date, from where we have to start the work. So you have to write down the date at page number 33 as well as on the exercises. Come on, quickly put down the date, and don't forget to put the date whenever you start the work. Okay, good students. So exercise M, in this exercise we have to fill the correct indefinite pronoun. We have to fill correct indefinite pronouns. So number 1, student, I am writing all the answers here. I am at page number 35. Exercise M. Exercise M, answer 1. Answer 1, the tour guide said, oh great students, see here, you have options, you can choose the answer, so it is very easy. So the tour guide said there were many viewers in that area. I did not see any. First answer is any. Number 2, there are 20 candles in the box, bring dash here, all. Number 3, can anyone solve this puzzle? Number 4, Nita saw no one. Nita saw no one. No one. Nita saw no one in the class. Number 5, the theatre was gathered by 2 policemen. Neither. Number 5, neither. Number 6, neither was present when the robber attacked. Number 6, in first blank you have to write down everybody. and in another box you have to write down little. Number 7, again you have two blanks. In first blank you have to write down something, and in another you have to write down nothing. So in first blank something, and in another nothing. And our last one, a few. Hope it is visible to you. Relaxed. Let me show you the answer. Now I am moving toward exercise N. Exercise N. So in exercise N we have to underline. We have to underline the indefinite pronoun, and we have to tell about its function. Is it a pronoun or a determiner? So student, this exercise I am going to dictate. Number 1, underline some, and in the given box you have to mention is it a determiner or a pronoun. So number 1, some, it is determiner. So you have to write down like this. Number 2, everyone, pronoun. Number 3, each, pronoun. Number 4, enough, determiner. Number 5, both, determiner. Number 6, most, pronoun. Number 7, many, determiner. Number 8, either, determiner. See here, answer. So students, here we have finished our chapter pronoun. I know it was lengthy chapter, but it has lots of parts. Now I am moving toward worksheet. So kindly open your worksheet number 7. It is available at page number 6060. I know worksheet 6 is also related to our chapter, but worksheet 6 we will do during our live session. So in this video we will only do worksheet number 7. So kindly open your page number 60 and put down today's date. We are solving our worksheet 7, and it is located at page number 60. So student, in page number 60 you can see our worksheet 7. Don't forget to put today's date at worksheet number 7. Student, our first exercise is saying that we have to fill with correct pronoun. I am writing all the pronoun here. Exercise A. Number 1, that. Number 2, herself. Number 3, he. Make sure your he must be in, start with capital letter. Okay. Because you can see that at number 3, the he word is a starting point of our sentence. Number 4, she, and in another blank, it. Number 5, it. Number 6, that. Number 7, you can use this as well as that. Both are valid. This as well as that. Number 8, she, and in another blank you have to write down her. Number 9, it. Number 10, himself. Okay, student, you can see this on board. Now we are going to solve our exercise B. In this exercise B, we have to circle. Student, we have to circle the wrong pronoun, and at the given space we have to write down the right pronoun. So it is very easy, it can be done verbally. So number 1, circle it, and the correct word is he, she. Both can be applicable. He, she. Number 2, circle he, herself. For he, you have to write down she. For herself, you have to write down himself. Number 3, circle who, and the correct word is that. Number 4, herself. Correct word is himself. Number 5, his. Correct word is their. their. Number 6, whose. Correct word is whom. whom. Number 7, there are 2 mistakes. Who, my. Who, my. For who, the correct word is that. For my, correct word is mine. Last question, that. Number 8, that. The correct word is which. The correct word is which. Students, hope you have enjoyed the worksheet. We will meet soon and we will solve our worksheet number 6 also. Till that, please stay at home and do regular revision. Bye bye.